Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to make full screen video in CapCut. If you want to have your video onto full screen, then you're onto the right guide. So the first thing that you need to do is to add in the video that you want to use. So for example, this one, we're going to go ahead and import this onto our timeline. But if you haven't imported your clips yet, just simply click onto this import button in here, and then you should be able to browse onto your different files. Once you're already set, you'll just have to click onto this blue icon to add this track. So there are different aspect ratios in here, or there are different ratios that you could choose to make a full screen video. So if you want to go ahead and make a full screen video for your phone, then you'll just need to go ahead and identify the aspect ratio that your phone is currently in. And if you're using a desktop, then you'll just have to choose its ratio as well. So for you to be able to go ahead and change it, once you have already identified that, just click onto ratio in here, and there are a lot of things that are available. So you'll just have to choose onto which one. So for example, if the ratio of your desktop is 16:9, you'll just have to choose this one. Or if it's 4:3, just choose 4:3 for that. So it should automatically adjust your video as per your liking. And if you're using a phone, there are a lot of options to choose from as well, like 9:16, 3:4, and many more. So you'll just need to identify first the current ratio that your device is in, or you could actually use the original for that. So once you're already satisfied, you could go ahead and export the video and save it onto your device. And that is just basically it, how you make a full screen video in CapCut. If you think this has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.